Hi everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. The Cockpit is a free and open source program that helps manage Linux servers. It's very lightweight and has a nice, easy to use web interface. It allows system administrators to easily perform tasks such as starting Docker, administering storage, and configuring networks. In this video, we will show you how to install the latest version of Cockpit on CentOS 7. First of all, log into your Linux VPS using the Bitwise SSH client. To install Cockpit, go to SSH and run the following command. To enable Cockpit, run the following commands in turn. To verify the Cockpit was active or not used after the command. If you use firewalled, you will need to open the port to be able to access Cockpit. To access the Cockpit Dashboard, visit the URL below using your browser. Sign in with your SSH login information. Once you are logged into Cockpit, you can see a complete overview of the system. Here you can perform administrative tasks like add/remove users, start/stop services, and configure networks.